Alright, it's afternoon and I'm heading to Livingston, Montana to pick up two bronzes. The Hunted and the Cowgirl. It's a beautiful day today. It's overcast, but that's good because it's been in the hundreds for the last week or so. It's nice to have a little bit of a break from the heat. It's a nice drive. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Alright, I'll pick this up in a little while. In the past, in the wintertime, when there's a lot of snow on the ground and there's high winds just whipping through here, it looks like an ocean of snow. The snow moves across the ground and across the road like waves on an ocean. It's just an amazing thing to see. Not necessarily an amazing thing to drive through. Alright, this is the Madison River. River is one of the three rivers that make up the headwaters of the Missouri River, which is about 50 miles north of here. The Madison, the Gallatin, and the Jefferson rivers all join together to make the starting and the headwaters of the Missouri River. This is a route that a lot of people have been coming across for 30,000 years. They found in archaeological digs. I've had friends drive through here and almost hit a mountain lion once. down south through the canyon there, and you enter the north end of, or the north entrance.
In 2 miles, take exit 333 onto US 89 South.
89 South is the road you take. It goes to this north gate of the Yellowstone National Park. Alright, here's where I turn to get into the foundry.
Go past the railroad crossing, then turn right onto Billman Lane.
Yeah, you got to go through this whole area here just to get to the driveway to the foundry.
Turn right, then turn left onto Willow Drive. Proceed to the route.
Well, it's a busy day today.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
I've arrived. Alright, I got both bronzes in the back of my van, and I'm getting ready to head back home. It's hot over here in Livingston, but boy, these bronzes really came out beautiful. I'll be photographing them tomorrow, and well, I'll check back in a few minutes. Bye. Alright, I just got back home. I completely forgot to record anything. Gotta get in the garage without hitting it. It's hard to do videoing and driving into the garage at the same time. There we go. That was a poor parking job. I think I'm going to do it again. I'll see you when I see you. It's probably going to be Monday of next week. Good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.